The Paper Boutique is a British company, and we're happy to have their Rainbow Buddy paper kit. Now, the kit has papers as well as die cuts. Now, this rainbow is a black and white and gray rainbow so that these animals can really pop out. Let me show you what you're going to get. You're going to get a padded pad, a gummed pad that's going to have everything inside it. So far as the papers, you're going to get 36 sheets. They are single-sided, so let me show you the 6 designs, and you're going to get 6 of each. So we start with that rainbow, then we have a gingham, then we have a little bit larger. You can see the Dalmatian, the bunny, there's a goat, there should be a kitty somewhere, there it is. And we have an all over kind of wider dot. Then we have some flowers, and we have more flowers combined with the dots, and then back to that one. In addition, I promised you die cuts. So you're going to get 4 sheets of this. So we've got a zebra and a panda. Never thought there were so many black and white animals, did you? And then we also be a rainbow in someone else's cloud. With love and best wishes, you're going to get 4 more of these with the kitty and the puppy, wishing you a happy birthday. And that's going to take care of our 32 die cuts and our 36 sheets of paper. Now, one thing to notice is that on the papers, they're really designed to coordinate with the die cuts, as you can see. You can add pops of color as they've done with flowers, silk flowers, ribbons, a variety of things. And so that's going to be really fun to play with. And as you can see, everything coordinates. Speaking of coordinating, let me show you there is also a Rainbow Buddies cardstock. Now, this is A4 size. There are 24 sheets, 8 colors. So you're going to get this whole rainbow. You're going to get 3 of each one. So everything is coordinating and everything is ready for you to be creative. All of this from the Paper Boutique.